Hey everyone, welcome back. Last time we dropped crab pots here in beautiful waters of Prince William Sound. Today it's time to see what's waiting for us as we haul them back up. For those who may not know, Prince William Sound is home to some incredible marine life, and one of those most exciting catches around here is the Bairdi crab. Living here in Chiniga, the crab is not too far. These crab are prized for their sweet, tender meat and are true treasures of these cold, pristine waters. In this video, I'll be walking you through the process of hauling the pots, sharing some tips on handling your crab, and talking about why Bairdi crab are such sought-after delicacy. Let's get into it and see what the sound has in store for us today. Well, I see a nice starfish, man. Is that even edible?
Maybe my bait is too high.
Nah. Going over. Oh, fuck yes.
Yeah.
I got a fucking octopus.
Oh, boy.
Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. I'll take an octopus.
Halibut mine.
What's that?
That's all full halibut.